Hello children, this is class 3 English workbook, page number 14. You know that verbs are the action words. Here is written 4 passage from the story and some verbs are missing. You will have to change the form of verb and fill in correct place. See the verbs in the box below the paragraph. The one day during the evening meal, the old man dashed his plate on the floor. Crash! It dashed into 100 tiny pieces, and the food dashed all over the place. Generally, stories are always written in past, so we will change the verb in their past form, and it will become like this. One day during the evening meal, the old man dropped his plate on the floor. Crash! It smashed into 100 tiny pieces and the food fell all over the place. So I have changed all the verb in their past form. Now come to page number 77. You know that there are 3 forms of verb: present, past and past participle. We also know them as V1, V2 and V3. Here you have to fill the table with its 3 form like bite, bit, bitten. Next is draw. What is the past form of draw? It is drew and participle will be drawn. Similarly, gots, present and past will be get and got. So, get, got and got. Now, choose 2 set of words from above to make sentences. The example is of verb throw. I can throw a ball very far. It is in present form. Ravi threw the orange into the air. It is in past form. And the orange was thrown into the air. It is in past participle form. Like this, I chose bite verb and the sentence is I can bite a nut. I bit the nut hard. The nut was bitten hard. Now, page number 78. Here the exercise is talking about transitive and intransitive verb. If in a sentence a verb having any object after it, it is said to be a transitive verb. And if in a sentence a verb having no object after it, it is said to be a intransitive verb. Now write the verb of a sentence in the blank, and if you find any object after it, then write the object in the bracket. Like Devraj caught the ball. Here caught is the verb and the ball is the object. Similarly, Manoj killed the rat. Here killed is verb and rat is the object. Now page number 68 and 67 and 68. Here see the picture. They have just finished doing something. You have to write one sentence about each. Just has done. Here we will use you will use has just plus past participle to form present perfect type sentence. Like Rima has just. Take written from the below as past participle, and it is most suitable word for the picture also, and complete it as Rima has just written the letter. Next is Salim has just broken the glass. Now try to do the rest of your own, and if you feel any difficulty, see the second link.